In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link Etsy and Printify. By the end, your Etsy shop will be connected to Printify, so you can publish products and automate fulfillment with confidence. Start by opening Etsy in your browser and signing in to the seller account for the shop you want to connect. It helps to double-check you're in the right shop if you manage more than one. From the top navigation, click Shop Manager to open your seller dashboard. This is where Etsy keeps all of your shop tools and integrations. Inside Shop Manager, look for the Apps section. Open it to see the list of available integrations. Scroll until you find Printify, then select it. On the Printify details page, click Learn More. This will take you to Printify's site where you'll complete the connection. On Printify, click Get Started for free. If you're new to Printify, create your account. If you already have one, simply log in. Use the same business details you normally use so your store information stays consistent. Once you're in your Printify dashboard, click the tile labeled My New Store. Next, choose Add a New Store. This tells Printify which sales channel you want to connect. When the list of sales channels appears, click Etsy. At this point, you may see a prompt to authorize the connection. Approve the permissions, so Printify can publish listings, update inventory, and manage orders on your behalf. If you have multiple Etsy shops, make sure the correct one is selected before you confirm. It's a good idea to keep the Etsy and Printify tabs open during this step so nothing times out. After a moment, you'll see a confirmation screen that says you're connected. That's your green light that the integration is live. If the confirmation doesn't appear right away, refresh the Printify page or sign out and back in. Then try the Etsy selection again. Also, ensure pop-ups are allowed for Printify so the authorization window can open. From here, you're ready to create products in Printify and publish them to your Etsy shop. Printing providers, variants, and mock-ups are all managed in Printify, while your titles, tags, and pricing will sync to Etsy when you push the listing. For smooth publishing later, make sure your Etsy shop is set up with completed policies and a payment account. That's it. Your Etsy store and Printify are officially linked. Follow these steps exactly, and you'll be set to streamline your print-on-demand workflow. Thanks for watching, and happy selling.